It's that time of the year when yard work shifts from mowing to raking. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a great way to pick up all those leaves right after this.
It's National Fire Prevention Week, and we're helping our audience protect their homes with a special giveaway from Leviton. You can enter for a chance to win an AFCI outlet, which is a simple device that helps prevent electrical fires in your home by shutting off the power immediately if a fire is detected. We're giving away 20 AFCI outlets every day this week, so head over to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to enter. Giveaway ends October 12th, so enter today.
To be honest, I really don't like raking leaves, but I hate picking them up even more to get them into a bag or maybe a garbage can. It's just awkward and inefficient, whether you use your hands or the rake or both. So instead, you should try this. Buy a small 6 by 8 foot plastic tarp and fold it in half long ways. Along each 4-foot edge, wrap a few inches of the tarp around a 4-foot long, 3/4 inch wooden dowel and secure it with staples. These dowels will serve as handles for the tarp so that you can lay the tarp out on the ground, rake the leaves onto it, and lift it up by the handles to easily dump it into a trash can or compost pile. Believe me, it works great. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.